Good afternoon, Boomers. Brian Tong here from Boomerlife. You may or may not know I've been on this keto diet for 4 weeks, and so far I've lost 4 pounds of fat and gained 2 pounds of muscle. So that's a net loss of 2 pounds in 4 weeks. Not good. And I swear I'm not cheating, as far as you know. So today I'm going to review a product called Trust Low Carb Light and talk about how it's used in the keto diet. The supplement and diet product market is a multi-billion-dollar, largely unregulated Wild West show. So how do you separate the real McCoy from the placebo or sugar pill and choose the good stuff? Don't buy protein powder, meal replacement formulas, or weight loss smoothie recipes until you read this. I've been having trouble losing weight my whole life. It hasn't really been a problem because I've kept in reasonably good shape, lifting weights, doing yoga, walking, biking, skiing, you name it. If it's a sport, I've done it. But now that I'm approaching 64 and I've already had both my knees replaced, it is time that I trim down this 280-pound linebacker physique and lighten the load so my new knees don't have to go through that again. So what do? I have tried every diet known to man and nothing seems to work. I was told my hormones were unbalanced, so I went on testosterone therapy and promptly developed blood clots. So that theory is out. Now what? There are as many weight loss plans, diets, supplements, and theories as there are grains of sand in the beach. So how do you choose? According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, can we trust them? Dietary supplements can be beneficial to your health, but taking supplements can also involve health risks. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, does not have the authority to review dietary supplement products for safety and effectiveness before they are marketed. So you're taking your chances when you take non-approved stuff for whatever reason. Dietary supplements include such ingredients as vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, and enzymes. They're marketed in forms such as tablet, capsules, soft gels, gel caps, powders, and liquids. Some supplements can help assure that you get enough of vital substances the body needs to function. Others may help reduce the risk of disease. But supplements should not replace complete meals, which are necessary for a healthful diet. So be sure you eat a variety of foods as well. That's my problem. Variety of pizza. Unlike drugs, supplements are not permitted to be marketed for the purpose of treating, diagnosing, preventing, or curing diseases. That means they should not make disease claims such as lowers high cholesterol or treats heart disease. Claims like these cannot be legitimately made for dietary supplements. Many supplements contain active ingredients that have strong biological effects in the body. This could make them unsafe in some situations and hurt or complicate your health. For example, the following actions could lead to harmful, even life-threatening consequences: combining supplements, using them with medicine, prescription or over-the-counter, substituting them for prescription medicine, taking too much of some of them, such as vitamin A, vitamin D, or iron. Some supplements can also have unwanted effects before, during, and after surgery. So be sure to inform your healthcare provider, including your pharmacist, about any supplements you're taking. The manufacturers and distributors of dietary supplements are responsible for making sure their products are safe before they go to market. If a dietary supplement contains a new ingredient, manufacturers must notify the FDA about that ingredient prior to marketing. However, the notification will only be reviewed by the FDA and only for safety, not effectiveness. Manufacturers are required to produce dietary supplements in a quality manner and ensure that they do not contain contaminants or impurities and are accurately labeled according to good manufacturing practice and labeling regulations. If a serious problem associated with a dietary supplement occurs, manufacturers must report it to FDA as an adverse event. The FDA can take supplements off the market if they're found to be unsafe or if the claims of the products are false and misleading. So, how can I find out more about the supplement I'm taking? The labels must include the name and location and information for the manufacturer or distributor. If you want to know more about the product you're taking, check with the manufacturer or distributor about information to support the claims of the product, information on the safety and effectiveness of the ingredients of the product. When searching for supplements on the internet, use non-commercial sites rather than depending on information from sellers. If a claim sounds too good to be true, they probably are. Be mindful of product claims such as works better than a prescription drug, totally safe, or has no side effects. Be aware that the term natural doesn't always mean safe. Ask your healthcare provider if the supplement you're considering would be safe and beneficial for you. And if you have problems, report them to the FDA, and I put some links in my blog on how to do that. So here's my dilemma. When visiting a cardiologist after my blood clot scare, I told him why I was taking testosterone therapy, basically to lose weight. And he said, if you want to lose weight, cut out carbs. That's all there is to it. Making corrections as I go here. Wow, that means eliminating bread, sandwiches, and pizza, rice, Chinese food, pasta, are you kidding? Potatoes, fries, chips, corn on the cob and tortillas, carrots, carrot cake, and sweets, ice cream of all kinds. In other words, the keto diet. Now, I'm a carnivore and I like salad, so focusing on meat, cheese, salad, and green vegetables sounds okay to me, even though I'm giving up most of my favorites, especially pizza. Plus, I can still have red wine, vodka, and tequila, so I should be okay, right? For your information, cauliflower crust pizza sucks. So, how can I jumpstart my weight loss? My research has taken me to a company called BioTrust. They have very catchy ads promising a low-carb, high-protein product for use in smoothies at night and your morning coffee. Basically, the plan is eliminate breakfast by adding 2 scoops of the vanilla protein powder to my morning coffee instead of having breakfast. Then have a keto lunch or dinner and an evening snack of 2 more scoops in coconut water or almond milk with no sugar added. Might be worth a try. BioTrust is a large company which generates, I'm guessing, hundreds of sales every day, thousands every year. In searching through the Better Business Bureau record of complaints involving BioTrust, I found exactly 6. And these involve people who mostly got confused about the ordering process and didn't get their money back fast enough. Not one complaint about the products themselves, which is pretty remarkable. As we know, you can't please everyone all the time, and there are always haters no matter what. So the BioTrust Low Carb Light is made according to BioTrust with the finest ingredients, whey protein packed with 24 grams of grass-fed protein from pasture-raised cows and only 1 gram of carbs per serving. When combined with sugar-free almond milk, it contains only 4 grams of net carbs and 24 grams of protein per serving. Since I'm supposed to limit my carb intake to less than 30 grams a day, this sounds like a plan. It also features gut-friendly prebiotics and protein-digesting enzymes to support stomach-friendly digestion and protein absorption. It is a non-GMO and free from growth hormones, antibiotics, gluten, soy, and artificial sweeteners, flavors, colors, or preservatives. Comes in vanilla and chocolate. Has a 60-day money-back guarantee. Sells for $49 for a 1.2 pound bag. But if you buy 6, they're down to $39 a bag. And once you buy 6, they'll offer you 12 more at $19 a bag. That's going to save me a bunch of breakfast money. And I'm psyched that it will also net me some lost LBs. I've attached a link here at the bottom of my blog so you can go purchase some at no extra cost to you. So if you want to try it with me, let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Let's give it at least 6 weeks to give it a fair reading. So that's it for today, Boomers. Have a good weekend. Keep it safe. Keep it COVID free. I'll see you next time. Brian Tong, Boomerlife.net, out.